this video I'm gonna show you a bunch of like nose volley variations and tricks you can try when you only have like flat ground and a wall like this. Here in the Netherlands, like the weather's become like quite bad recently. So I will find myself skating like in garages like way more often than I used to. So I kind of try to like have more fun with like less obstacles. So if I like only have flat ground and a wall, what am I gonna do? So in this video I'm gonna show you some things that I did today. So for this one I like to put my feet like very wide on both edges of the board and I have my heels hanging off. Once I have my feet set up in the correct position, you gotta find the right angle to approach the wall. I come at it in like a 45-degree angle, so that's about this. That's probably perfect. When I come up the wall, I kind of lean back. So that if I make it onto the wall or straight up, I can bring my board forward and up. Also, if I'm leaning correctly back, that will cause me to be able to pop off. If I come up too much straight into it, I will be able to bash my board up, but I won't be able to come off. If I come too much on the side, I probably won't even be able to make my board onto the wall. When I come up to the wall, like this, the hardest part is to get off. So what I do, I kind of extend my front leg and push from my heel. So I make it do this. Then I can level up my board properly and make sure I can land it too. So my shoulders stay on the side. And if I get my board off, I can put it like under my shoulders and land it out here. So this next trick is quite similar to the Wallride Nollie we already did. But now we're doing like a 180 out, so we land vaguely. For this one, angle I approach it in is kind of the same, also like a 45-degree angle. Once I come onto the wall, I kind of tend to like curve in just a tiny bit more. So that if I come on and I keep turning my shoulders, it will cause my board to turn like this. Then if I want to come off, I press through my toes. So when I'm on the wall and I press through my toes, I will level it out again, be able to land. This one is just like the Wallride Nollie 180 we did backside, but now I'm going to do it frontside. So again, I come up to it in a 45-degree angle and I turn my shoulders in. Now, once the board is turned and I want to pop out again, I will do the same as on the backside one, but now instead of having to press through my toes, I will have to press through my heels again to create the same effect. Once you master the like nose volley 180 frontside and backside, it's not like much harder to like throw it at 360. So I kind of just like keep my knees bent, stay lightweight, and just revert it along by throwing my shoulders further. So those are options that are like not much harder, but they are definitely fun. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try some variations, like maybe like shoving out and see what I can come up with. And maybe like learn a new trick or something, so we're gonna just see. So that one I just did was just like the same as like the frontside nose volley 360, but I just kept my shoulders in place after the 180, just only let my board go along, so it like shoving it. 360 and combining it with the nose Nollie 180 with a shove it. I kind of just thought of it as doing the nose Nollie 360 but adding a shove it, so it kind of turned into a big spin. I think this one looked kind of cool, so I'm kind of hyped on it. And it just shows that like with just a wall you can like do a lot of different tricks and like definitely like explore your own creativity, I guess, to just see what you can come up with in a garage session like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe like learned something from the tips I gave. Comment down below if you like want to see other tricks or like what you want me to skate and give tips on. For now, I would just say like thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.